it's 300 over 300 years old town.
Oh,
Yes.
wow. Okay. So your store was also like that? Like,
Well, we've been here about 31 years now.
oh, 31 years. It's a long time.
Yes, that's a long time.
Oh.
Yeah, we were closed around the pandemic
Oh.
for about 13 months.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's.
but no, Old Town's been around for quite some time.
Oh.
They have different tours, and you can take the tours, and they explain everything about it. You
Okay.
should try to take one of those.
And what to see here?
Balloon Fiesta?
Okay, got it.
Yes, once a year. It's international.
Oh.
International, and it's the first week in October. And
Oh.
there's balloons from everywhere, all over the country.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's
So,
nice.
Yeah. Enjoy your visit.
Thank you so much.
Oh, they're different prices. They go anywhere from about $60 up to about $400.
Okay.
These are Native American. We've been in business 40 years.
Oh, wow.
10 years in right here. Coral and turquoise, mother of pearl, spiny oysters, different stones. That one would be half of $50.
Coral and turquoise.
There's turquoise on this one.
Okay. And these are sterling silver all,
Oh,
right?
yeah. This is a very famous family of artists, these two cases. And then the Zuni are a Pueblo. They're a village. There's 19 villages here in New Mexico.
Oh.
But they do the inlay work like that. This one. See the one you like with all the colors?
Yeah, exactly. The red one. Yes. The feather style.
So
Oh.
you can Google Navajo and Zuni and you'll see online all the different kind of art they do.
Okay. Got it. Thank you for the information.
Sure.
Like these are locally made or what?
So yeah, the owner makes them. They're not made locally anymore because it's like we've expanded so much and it's hard to get a place to make them here. But the owner is local. We're a local business.
Why these all chilies are like that? Is it just for decoration or just?
You can cook with them.
Yeah,
Or you can use them as decoration. So
Oh.
we have them out there because we have people who buy them and they use them to decorate.
Oh, okay.
Or they use them to cook.
Yeah, cook is okay, I can understand.
Yeah.
But for decoration, it's really unique thing I have never seen before.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's really popular here in New Mexico, and so usually people put the Christmas trees and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Oh,
that's what that is.
okay.